Hey, Ezra here with you for the One-Stop Shop collection in Module 3. And what we're going to be doing in this video is adding our first collection to our store. Let's head on in and take a look. So from the back end of our store here, we want to go to Products and then Collections. And now what a collection is it's literally a collection of products. It's sort of the categories of products on your store. And there's going to be one by default, which is going to be called the front page. What we want to do is we want to add a collection. And within our collection, we have the opportunity to add a title and a description and some other things. So we'll just put in the title of our collection. We'll say, creams. And then you can put in a nice long description here with image content and everything you want. You definitely want to have a little description of your collections on your page, and I'll show you where that shows up. So when you add a description to your collection, it's going to show up down here below the products on your collection page. And so you want to have a nice description. It's good for SEO. It's good to explain to customers what your product is about and what that collection is about. After you have added a title and description to your collection, which by the way can include images and things like that, you can then set the conditions for your collection. So you could say, for example, make me a collection of products that are tagged with, XYZ, or make me a collection of products that are under $100. Now we're going to use dynamic tagging to do price filtering, so you don't need to do that. Or you can say manually add products to my collection, and you can select your products once you save the collection. So if we were to do this and we were to save our collection here, we would then have the ability to add each of our products that we want by just searching for the product there and adding it to the collection. So I'll just add each individual product to the collection here. And now you can see I have 4 products in my collection. Now going down to Search Engine Listing Preview, if I click Edit Website SEO, this is where I will have the opportunity to change the title, the SEO title, the title tag of my collection page, and add a meta description for my collection page. And we'll get to meta descriptions and titles later in the video, but just so you know, this is where you would do that on the collection page. Now, let's take a look at what this collection looks like. So if we view this collection on our store, we can see that we have a nice list of all of our products here on the collection page. And what you'll notice is that there are 4 items across. Well, let's say you have 9 items and you want to do 3 items across. Well, over here on the collection page, we've added the ability for you to change the template to collection.3 across. And if you select that and save it, and then refresh over here, what you'll notice is that there's bigger images and you now have 3 items across on the collection page rather than 4. So if you have less items on your collection page, then you want to use the collection template 3 across. If you have a lot of items, then use regular collection template, which has 4 across. Don't worry about collection-wide at the moment. We're not using that right now, but we will talk about how to use that template later in this course. Now looking at our collection page here, we notice that we have some dynamic filtering on the left here. Filter by type and filter by vendor. So those are built in for you, but you can also add your own unique dynamic filtering, such as filter by price or filter by color or any other type of filtering that you'd like. So this is Ezra Firestone for the One-Stop Shop Module 3, Collection. You now know how to add collections, so go ahead and add your collections to your store and meet me in the next video where we dive even deeper on how to modify the collections on your store.